The 2025 Honda CBX900 is a game-changer, blending modern technology with a nostalgic nod to Honda's legendary CBX series from the late 1970s. In this video, we'll dive into everything that makes this new model a standout in the motorcycle world. The first thing you'll notice about the CBX900 is its stunning design. Honda has gone all out to create a bike that looks both futuristic and classic. The sleek lines, aggressive stance, and minimalist bodywork give it a unique edge, appealing to both seasoned riders and newcomers. It's a bike that commands attention wherever it goes. Under the hood, Honda has packed in some serious performance. The CBX900 is powered by a 900cc inline-4 engine, delivering an exhilarating combination of power and smoothness. With advanced fuel injection and ride-by-wire technology, this bike responds instantly to throttle input, providing a thrilling ride every time you twist the throttle. Whether you're cruising on the highway or taking sharp corners, the CBX900 feels balanced and precise, making it perfect for both everyday commutes and weekend rides. One of the standout features of the CBX900 is its advanced electronics suite. You get multiple riding modes, including Sport, Standard, and Rain, which adjust power delivery and traction control to match the conditions. Honda's Honda Selectable Torque Control ensures that you stay in control even in tricky situations, giving you confidence to push the bike to its limits. The 2025 model also features a full-color TFT display, which provides all the information you need at a glance, from speed and gear position to fuel levels and navigation prompts. Comfort hasn't been overlooked either. The seating position strikes a perfect balance between sporty and relaxed, making long rides comfortable while still allowing you to attack corners with ease. The suspension setup, featuring a fully adjustable front fork and rear shock, soaks up bumps and keeps the ride smooth, whether you're on the open road or navigating city streets. Braking performance is equally impressive, with dual front discs and ABS ensuring that you can stop quickly and safely when needed. The 2025 Honda CBX900 is more than just a motorcycle, it's a statement. Combining heritage, power, and cutting-edge technology, it's a bike built for those who want performance without compromising on style or comfort. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and riding experiences with this incredible machine.